What is mental health? And how to improve mental health? People nowadays are focused on their health and well-being, trying to be healthy and fit to avoid health issues and diseases by bringing changes to their lifestyle through dietary habits. Paying attention to physical health is just not sufficient. It is equally important to balance mental health, psychological, and social well-being along with your physical health for a complete wellness. Care of mental health should also be on priority. It can disrupt your cognitive process and decision-making abilities to your daily routine, physical health, relationships, and work hours. However, there can be various other causes too for creating imbalance. By taking care of mental health, one can perceive more positive aspects of life, even during troubled situations. A balance is necessary between different emotional conditions such as stress, depression, overthinking, and anxiety, which could be affecting mental health. Let us discuss about mental health, its importance, and effective ways to improve mental health, and how music can be an effective way to achieve good mental health and social well-being. What is mental health? Mental health refers to behavioral, cognitive, emotional, and psychological well-being. In simple words, we referred mental health is a state of well-being in which an individual realizes his or her capabilities, how they can cope up with the stresses of life, or can work productively. Having a good mental health helps you to lead a healthy and happy life and promotes positivity. With good mental health, a person becomes more resilient to adverse conditions, and it increases tolerance level to face the particular situation. Mental health is important at every stage of life, from childhood, adolescence, and through adulthood. Very often we have heard that a sound mind is a sound body. It means a healthy mind with a healthy body provides better cognition to handle situations in more favorable and productive ways. Signs and symptoms. Latest researches and equipments like fMRI are available to give us a better idea to understand mental illness. However, signs and symptoms vary from person to person. This can affect our mental, emotional, and social behavior, and our thoughts as well. But here are some signs on the basis of which one can find out about mental health. Feeling sad, down, or hopeless. Detachment from reality, delusions, paranoia, or hallucinations. Finding difficulty to cope up with daily problems or stress. Suicidal thoughts. Trouble in understanding and relating to situations and to people. Excessive change in eating habits. Withdrawal from family, friends, and relatives. Common mental health disorders. There are many different types of mental disorders, but the most common ones are depression, schizophrenia, anxiety, mood disorders. Depression. This is the most common mental disorder. It causes sadness and loss of interest in those activities and tasks you enjoyed before. It affects your daily work routine, loss in work time and productivity. It can negatively affect your thinking, acting, and feeling. It is different from grief. But if you are sad or hopeless on a regular basis, then it is best to seek help. Schizophrenia. It is a complex mental disorder. In this disorder, people's reality is interpreted abnormally. Schizophrenia may result in some combination of hallucinations, delusions, and extremely disordered thinking and behavior that impairs daily functioning. It involves a range of problems with cognitive, behavior, and emotions. Symptoms of schizophrenia develop between the age of 16 and 30. Suicidal thoughts are common with the people of schizophrenia. People experience these thoughts to commit suicide, especially when they are stressed out or while facing physical or mental health challenges. If you know any loved one who is in danger or going to attempt suicide, make sure there is someone who can stay with that person. Take medical help if required. Anxiety. It is the body's natural response to stress. It is a feeling of apprehension about what to come. One should identify the type of anxiety and the intensity if it is normal or it is anxiety disorder. Normal anxiety is a feeling which one can handle and does not interfere. In a disorder, you become anxious, and that feeling of fear can intense and debilitating sometimes. Anxiety disorders are those which can affect anyone at any age, and most commonly affect emotional state of a person. Mood disorder. Mood disorder also affects the mental well-being of a person. People with this condition get significant changes in their mood. This disorder includes bipolar disorder and seasonal affective disorder. In bipolar disorder, a person experiences unusual changes in mood, energy levels, levels of activity, and ability to continue with daily life routine. Periods of high mood are known as manic phases, while depressive phases bring on low mood. Seasonal affective disorder is a type of depression recurrent according to season. Reduced daylight triggers during the fall, winter, and early spring months trigger this seasonal disorder. Identify your symptoms and choose the best effective way to improve your mental health. To overcome these symptoms, and for improving your mental health into a better way, there is a program conducted every year named as Mental Health Awareness Month. This is observed in the month of May every year. The purpose of Mental Health Awareness Month is to raise awareness and educate the public about mental illnesses such as anxiety, depression, schizophrenia, and bipolar disorder. It also aims to draw attention to suicide, which can be precipitated by some mental illnesses. This program strives to reduce the stigma, negative attitudes, and misconceptions that surrounds mental illnesses. It educates people about the realities of living with these conditions and strategies for attaining mental health and wellness. Every year organizations conduct a theme for mental health awareness. Theme for this year 2021 is Tools to Thrive. Its main focus is to help you in finding healthy and productive way to overcome stress and depression. Best effective way to improve mental health. There are various methods available to improve your mental health. Psychotherapy takes a positive approach in treating mental illness. Other than this, you can take professional help and self-help as well. But music can be the most effective method to improve mental health. You can improve mental health by tuning to higher vibrations, as an individual tunes the music to play instruments. In the same manner, one can tune mental health vibrations by listening to appropriate music and sounds. Music can connect and use the medium for processing emotions, trauma, and sadness, and also acts as a calming agent by soothing your mental thoughts into positivity. Playing instruments can encourage emotional expression, socialization, and exploration of various therapeutic themes. Music can be utilized to regulate mood because of its rhythmic and repetitive aspects. Music engages the neocortex of our brain, which calms us and reduces impulsivity. We often utilize music to match or alter our mood. While there are certain benefits to matching music to our mood, it can potentially lift us from getting stuck in a depressive, angry, or anxious state. Music intervention process is a process where one's current negative thought process is intercepted with music and slowly shift to a more positive or calm state. This works wonders to alter mood states. When the sufferer plays music according to his mood, then it connects emotionally in his brain, releasing hormones which impacts on his compulsive thoughts. Listening is another important for mental health and its well-being. Listening to a piece of music has a powerful impact in the brain, where music activates many regions, including those associated with emotion and memory. Listening to a particular music automatically raises vibrations and alters our moods and emotions. Music seems to act as selectively activate neurochemical systems and brain structures associated with positive mood, emotion regulation, attention, and memory in ways that promote beneficial changes to your mental health. We talked about positive thinking many a times, and we need to incite our positive thinking along with positive emotions to raise positive vibrations. A person is considered to be healthy when physical, emotional, social, and mental health is in balance. Relax. Enjoy listening to music.